grey and gloopy is coming out. And all the new stuff's sat at the top and has come out from the filler plug. We've got black, which is the engine oil that was still in here. We've got the light grey is what came out, and then the greeny fresh stuff is the stuff that was sat at the top that's separated, that I've topped it up for the journey back from Armenia. You believe that? Brick part, and it actually fits. Come on. The pipe that came off, one of the three, it's just general generic rubber pipe, but it's a lot larger diameter bore than the typical leak off pipe. So I'm hoping that that will cure some of the, maybe it's, you know, not, it came off very easily, maybe it's letting in a bit of air or something. So I'm hoping that that will cure the problem starting sometimes. That one's an empty one. Oh yeah, alarm. That's the one with the permanent feed to the side lights I need to figure out. Let's replace these with, let's replace these with nice new original style. There we go. All done. First start in 7 months. Go. All these door latches are basically worn from a lot of, you can see that, some of them have been taped up and everything. This door's not shown properly either. All the plastic's worn off. Anyway, so I got some nice new ones. I've been collecting these because these are the OEM ones. Rockwell. That's Kaikert. That's Rockwell. Got another one there. A genuine one. All for a £5. Let's try and do something like that. So, that way round. Around. Nice. It's got a pop. I like it. Driver's side is the most messed up. Last thing, so I've technically got some better door seals here. These are takeoffs. So that being part of the door process, this was not too bad. A little crimp in there. Let's put them on anyway. Well, that's why actually. All the way down. Let's test that. Nice. That's a lot nicer. Nice. Good amount of pop. Anyway, I just need to get a bolt in there. You can see how floppy that is. Let's get some grease. Take the weight of the bonnet off. This is part of the reason why the bonnet doesn't like to latch sometimes, because it pushes on here and there's nothing supporting it. There we go. I need to fix this switch on the handbrake, and the loo, the wiring's disappeared. Yes, they are captive. Oh, that's good. Okay, a lot of flexibility now. What are they? Screws. Get those off. Fairly wicked. Oh, that's a bit of plastic just come pinging out. Not cheap, but I thought I'd go genuine. Yeah, it was completely knackered, this bit was off. Turn it up. Could do with a bit more protection now. Check it works. Yeah, it does.